In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom URL button in Salesforce Lightning. This can be a great way to streamline your workflows and provide quick access to important links directly from your Salesforce interface. So let's dive right in. We'll kick things off by heading to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. This is where you'll find the gear icon, your entry point for all setup activities. Once you spot the gear icon, click on it and then select Setup from the drop-down menu that appears. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll notice a quick find box at the top left. This is an incredibly helpful tool for navigating through Salesforce's extensive options. What we want to do here is type Object Manager into the box. This feature is designed to help you quickly find various objects within your Salesforce organization. After typing in Object Manager, you'll want to click on it from the list of search results that appear. In the Object Manager, you manage both standard and custom objects in Salesforce. Here, you'll need to select the specific object where you'd like to add your new button. Common choices might include the account or opportunity objects, but feel free to choose any object that suits your requirements. With your chosen object selected, take a moment to look at the variety of settings now displayed on your screen. You'll want to focus on finding and clicking on Buttons, Links, and Actions in the sidebar. This section is your go-to spot for defining new buttons and links that will appear on your records. With that in mind, press the New Button or Link option to begin the creation process. At this stage, there's an important decision to be made regarding the display type of your new button. You have the option to choose between a detail page button or a detail page link. It's worth considering whether you'd like your link to act like a button or to remain a simple hyperlink, depending on its intended purpose. Moving forward, you'll enter specific details for your button. Start by defining the label, which is the text that users will actually see on the button itself. It's best to choose a label that is both concise and descriptive. Next, assign a name to your button. This is a unique identifier used within Salesforce, so make sure it's distinct. For the link content source, be sure to select URL. This selection ensures that the button will direct users to a specific web address when clicked. Now, it's essential to paste the URL of the site or resource you plan to link to. Double-check that you've copied the entire URL to avoid any errors down the line. Once all your information is correctly set up, click Save to create your custom button or link. But wait, we still need to ensure your shiny new button appears in the right places. Navigate to Page Layouts under the same object settings. From there, choose the page layout where you want the button to appear, such as the Opportunities layout. With the layout open in edit mode, locate the newly created button or link in the Custom Links section. Then, simply drag and drop it to your desired location on the layout, and there you have it. Your new URL button is now ready to use, offering quick access to essential resources directly from Salesforce. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next video.